Love boiled eggs? Well, let's cook it perfectly. First, start by getting a large enough pot so they're not crowded, fill it with cold water. Then gently place the eggs inside and put on a low simmer. Once it comes to a boil, you want to add 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda. That's right, baking soda, and watch it fizz. Let it boil, but keep them separate, and then put them into an ice bath where they can completely cool. And once you've done that and you know that they're ready, take them out, put them under running water, and those shells will come off like you would not believe. This is the perfect way to be able to have boiled eggs, deviled eggs, any kind of eggs, eggs for salad, and you don't have to worry about tearing it apart as you're trying to get that pesky shell off. Now you've got the secret. It is baking soda. And when you open it up, it's perfectly yellow on the inside, ready to eat, share, garnish, do anything with. Enjoy those eggs.